Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini AI video generator. Start by signing in, then pick a template that matches your goal, such as promo, tutorial, or social short. Enter a clear prompt describing visuals, tone, and pacing, and choose aspect ratio and duration. Add voiceover options or upload audio, then tweak scenes, replace stock clips, and export when you are happy with the pacing and look. Write prompts like a director. Be specific about scenes, camera moves, and on-screen text. Mention mood words such as upbeat, calm, or dramatic, and include exact durations for each scene. If you need branded colors, state hex codes, and provide voice direction like conversational or authoritative. Add examples of desired shots so the generator matches your vision and reduces editing time while keeping the style consistent across scenes. Hey, if this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: I love the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading scripts and research anywhere. It feels light and keeps notes handy. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. When editing, focus on pacing and alignment between voice and visuals to keep viewers engaged. Trim excess footage and tighten cuts where the message dilutes. Replace any stock clips that feel generic with more specific footage or custom uploads. Balance audio levels so voiceover sits above music, and add captions for accessibility. Always export a quick draft to check flow, then render the final high-quality file for distribution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.